So we are up in Malaga. Look at this. Look at this beautiful place. It's such a good place to be. And me as a Catholic vlogger, I'd be remiss to come to Malaga and not show you guys the cathedral. So it is beautiful. Look at this. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my God. Just take a look, guys. As a Catholic, I'm low-key fighting tears right now. As a Catholic, I'm low-key fighting tears. This is beautiful, guys. Look at this, man. The women here too, like, they're so respectful. Like, a lot of, if you're in the States, people are like, oh, why are you taking videos of me? Even though that they know that you're not recording them on purpose. Here I've asked people, not just women, but people in general, I've asked them, you know, hey, do you mind being on my video? And they're like, oh yeah, no problem. But yeah, wasn't that beautiful, guys? Oh my God. And I'll record everything else.
Que era un tema de acabó con el fuego de los curados,
At the Cruzcampo Cerveza, which is literally the beer of Spain, in my opinion. Málaga, Spain. Hey, gotta love this place, man. It's Picasso's home. For those of you that ain't know, this is Picasso's home. Here it is. These are their brewskis right here. Look at that. Look at that. Those prices are more than reasonable. You got the Duende IPA. All kinds of options. That says Cruzcampo, made here. My wife's personal fave. I genuinely don't know why Americans do not come to Spain more often, or don't come to Spain, because it is the spot. Especially Málaga, Picasso's home. There's a little Mexican spot right here. Not too proud to be Mexican. They ain't flying the flag or anything like that, but they do got margaritas. This is Soho, of course. As always, they're mocking, not mocking, but they're mimicking the United States. Check this out. Here's a sign. And we are in Soho, guys. Spain, Soho. Look at all these beautiful Spanish people. Huh? Beautiful Málaga, guys. Picasso's home. Southern Spain. For those of you guys that don't know, Andalusia. Andalusian. If you're Latino, Hispanic, chances are Hispanic, not necessarily Latino, because Brazilians are Latino, and their heritage is likely from Portugal. But if you're Hispanic, which means you speak Spanish, then your heritage is naturally from here. The Andalusian people, they're the ones that went and conquered the world. So, oh, let me get that horse. Look at that horse and buggy. This is Málaga, guys. Where the bus drivers are nice and wait for you. We have a garden in the middle of the city. Spain is most definitely unique. Now look at these beautiful buildings right here. So look at some of these flowers. going back to the whole Hispanic thing. If you're Hispanic, chances are your people aren't from Barcelona. Your people aren't from Madrid. Your ancestors, your people are from Andalusia. Get your DNA tested. I did. 48% Iberian. What building's that? Right now we're about to jaywalk because I'm not gonna wait 20 seconds for this to finish. Málaga. Very typical of this land. People just chilling out here, having their drinks. And that place where the video started, that was the Cruzcampo Brewery. Look at this beautiful architecture. Spain is full of beautiful architecture. Take me to it. And there's some stadium seating here, which I have no idea why it's there, but it's there. Some parrots. There's some stadium seating there too. Typical tourism bus over there. And then right now I'm about to take you guys where the action is. And we are here. This is it. This is where you start to see all the beautiful people, all the beautiful architecture. He turned. Look at these beautiful streets. Yeah. Look at these beautiful streets, guys. Look how shiny and clean they are. It's like a Bichon hound mixed with like a pit bull, huh?
Yeah.
Man, he's got a major mask on.
Yeah, he does.
It's not cool. That's a law here in Spain, which I heard that it's already been done away with, but it just hasn't taking effect, where dogs that are quote unquote dangerous have to wear that mask. What? Popular dude. It's a very popular look right here. The black leggings.
What the?
Beautiful Malaga here, guys. Again, look at these streets. These are streets. And then we're gonna stop right at that Spanish flag. But this place, you just go on the cut, grab yourself some food. See? Right here, the cut. You can have yourself some beer. There's a church way out yonder. Beautiful buildings, historical, beautiful architecture. Ooh, it smelled good in there.
Sign is. I think it was a few days that way.
And here we are, guys. Deep in Spain, Malaga. Very proud country. Obviously, sun's about to go down because they have all this stadium seating. Yep, that's what I think it is. This is a very Catholic country, although from my experience, I'm a practicing Catholic, which means I go to church, I pray, I read the Bible. And from my experience, these people aren't they don't go to church. I mean, I've been to church and it's empty. It's not like in the United States. It's not like Latin America where the churches are full. So, but hey, they still do this type of stuff. Call it pomp and circumstance. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more, because I'll be travel vlogging. This is what I do, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more.